Hi everyone, welcome back to Speak English with Raksha, the place where you learn English with real conversations about real life.
That's right. No boring grammar, no big scary words, just simple, natural English that you can actually use every day.
Exactly. And today we're talking about something everyone needs to know, how to talk about yourself in English.
Oh yeah, it's one of the first things people ask you when they meet you. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do?
Right, and sometimes people freeze like, my name,
Yes, so today we will help you feel confident when you introduce yourself, slowly, step by step.
So, Lohi, let's start like two strangers meeting for the first time.
Okay, I'll be me and you can be you.
Deal.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Raksha. What's your name?
I'm Lohi. Nice to meet you, Raksha.
Nice to meet you too, Lohi. Where are you from?
I am from Canada. And you?
I am from London, actually.
Oh, London. I love that city. It's so beautiful and rainy.
Yeah, very rainy. You always need an umbrella in your bag. Now, okay, let's pause here for our listeners. Did you notice something? That's a very simple, natural way to start a conversation in English.
Exactly. You can say, "Hi, my name is blank. I'm from blank. Nice to meet you." Very easy, very friendly, right?
You don't need to use big or fancy words. Just say it clearly and with a smile.
So, Raksha, tell me more. Where do you live now?
I live in Toronto. It's a big city in Canada. I like it. It's busy, but also friendly.
Toronto sounds great. I live in a small town near London. It's quiet and sometimes a little boring.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but it's nice because I can go for walks in the park.
That sounds peaceful. So for everyone listening, you can describe your city or town like this. I live in blank. It's a big, small city. It's quiet, busy, beautiful.
Yes, and you can also say what you like or don't like about it. For example, I like my city because it's clean. I don't like it because it's noisy.
Simple and real.
Exactly. Real English for real life.
Okay, Lohi, what do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Oh, no surprise there.
And you, Raksha?
I'm a content creator. I make videos for YouTube.
Nice. So when you talk about your job, you can say, I'm a teacher, I'm a doctor, I'm a student, or I work in a shop, etc.
And if you're not working right now, you can say, I'm looking for a job. I'm not working at the moment.
And that's okay. Everyone's life is different.
Exactly. You can even say what you want to do. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a singer.
Exactly. You can even say what you want to do. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a singer. I want to be a YouTuber. Haha.
That's everyone's dream these days.
So what do you do in your free time, Raksha?
I like cooking. It helps me relax.
Oh, really? What do you cook?
Mostly pasta because it's easy and I don't burn it.
That's a good start.
I like reading books and watching movies. Sometimes I draw too.
You're so creative.
Thanks. So for our listeners, this is how you can talk about hobbies. I like reading. I love music. I enjoy playing football. I don't like cooking.
Yeah, I like, I love, and I enjoy are all great words for talking about free time.
And remember, don't worry about grammar too much. Just speak slowly and naturally.
Right. Confidence is more important than perfection, Raksha.
Yeah, Raksha, you're right. Lohi, tell me about your family.
Okay, I have a small family. I live with my wife and my little daughter. She's 5 years old and full of energy.
Yeah, she never stops talking. So for everyone listening, you can say things like, I live with my parents. I have 2 brothers. I don't have any sisters.
Yes, and if you have children, you can say, I have a son or I have a daughter.
Simple and beautiful. Talking about family helps people connect with you.
Let's talk about how to describe your personality.
Oh, okay, this is fun. How would you describe yourself?
I think I'm friendly, a little funny, and sometimes lazy.
Honest answer. I would say I'm calm, creative, and maybe a little shy.
Shy? You're literally hosting a podcast.
I know, but I'm a shy extrovert.
That's a thing.
Totally.
So, listeners, you can say, I'm friendly, I'm quiet, I'm funny, I'm shy, I'm hardworking.
Yes, and you can add more detail. I'm friendly, but sometimes shy. I'm friendly when I'm comfortable.
Good examples. This helps you sound more natural.
Now let's talk about dreams. Everyone loves this topic.
Yes. So, what's your dream, Raksha?
I want to travel the world and meet my students in person.
That's beautiful. And you?
I want to make videos that help people smile and learn English at the same time.
That's a wonderful goal.
Thanks. So you can say, my dream is to travel. I want to learn English better. I hope to live in another country.
Yes, and it's okay if your dream is small. What matters is that it's yours.
All right, friends, now it's your turn.
Yes, repeat after us slowly and clearly.
My name is blank.
I'm from blank.
I live in blank.
I'm a student.
I like blank.
I have blank.
I'm friendly.
My dream is blank.
Good job! If you practice these lines every day, you'll be able to introduce yourself easily in English.
You know, Raksha, when I was learning another language, the hardest part wasn't grammar, it was confidence.
Exactly. Many learners know the words, but they're afraid to speak.
Yeah, but the secret is, don't be afraid of mistakes.
Yes, mistakes mean you're learning. Even we make mistakes sometimes.
All the time.
So remember, speak, smile, and keep practicing.
All right, friends, let's quickly recap what we learned today. How to introduce yourself, how to talk about where you live, your job, hobbies, and family, how to describe your personality, and how to share your dreams.
That's a lot of good English in one episode.
And if you like this podcast, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who want to learn English too.
And tell us in the comments, how would you introduce yourself in English?
We'll read some of your answers in the next episode.
Until then, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep listening to Speak English with Raksha. Bye-bye.